Slice the Pie is a paid review platform where users earn small amounts of money by giving feedback on music, fashion, apps, and other products. It is simple to use. You sign up, listen or view items, and then write short reviews that get rated for quality. The pros are that it's free to join, easy to start, and offers flexible earning from anywhere. The cons are that payments are very low, reviews must be detailed to avoid rejection, and it takes time to reach the minimum payout. So basically, um, Slice the Pie is legit, of course, and worth it if you enjoy sharing options or your opinions and don't mind slow earnings. But if you're looking for significant income, then it's better to treat it as a side hobby.